There are so many things that are happening in South Africa that you won't be able to pay attention to everything. Because when they talk about VAT, Amatosa gets released from jail, and now we have another story that these security companies will be relieved of all the power they had. Remember, these security companies could even arrest citizens. Imagine just a security company. I have first-hand experience because I was working in Randburg, and when we were chilling at the park, these security guys would just come at us, sniff our hands if maybe we were smoking something, and then some guys would tell me that they actually got arrested because they found them with something to smoke, right? So these security companies were actually getting too much power. Thank goodness the government actually did something, because new legislation from police minister seeks to further restrict security firms, limiting access to handcuffs, tasers, firearms in churches, malls, and other public places. Private security companies like Fidelity have no right in arresting citizens. Yeah, maybe they can apprehend them for a moment and call the cops, but these guys are being given too much power, and that's not a good thing, because a private company, a private security company is owned by a private person. So if a person doesn't like you, they can just send the police to you, which is their security police. That would be too much power for private citizens. So this is a good move from our government.